Hello, this is going to be a demonstration of electrodes in Cimatron version 13. This will be part 1 of a 2-part video series. The purpose of the first video is to show the speed at which electrodes can be designed, programmed, and electrode drawings be made. The second video will go over in detail how it's being done so that it doesn't affect the speed of this video. We're going to begin by going into the electrode setup wizard. We're going to pick the core block, and we're going to give this a better name. Actually, let's call it core. Okay, and we're going to work in inches and choose OK. Alright, and we're going to go to extract electrode. And this region we're going to accept, do a fit in center. We're going to apply a template which is tangent to blank, and this is a surface based template. Okay, so that extended surface is up. Now we're going to go to the top view, and we're going to extract a few more this way. And I'm going to intentionally skip some areas. This one, we're going to change the angle according to a reference line. And let's make it a nominal 45 degrees. And then fit in center. Okay, so this quickly, I made a number of electrodes like this. Those are all surface-based extensions. And now we're going to look at doing a solid-based electrode. So let's start by doing this area right here. Going to the top view. Let's hide everything. Show just the core, and then extract the electrode. Now I'm just going to arbitrarily place this one over here temporarily. So I'm going to set my filter to expand to pocket, and we're going to pick one surface in this direction, turn off the expand to pocket, and pick the surface in the other direction. Okay, so that's a pretty fast selection method, avoiding all the radiuses. And this template is going to be a burn body with multiple lumps. We gotta do a fit in center and apply. Okay, and so it gave me all of these individual ribs. And let's see, how can I show this? Let me turn it this way. So you can see that those are all different points. It's not just a simple common plane rib. And let's go back to the top view. And we'll extract a couple more. Okay, so now we're going to do extract electrode in this area. Position the blank. We're going to do 90 degrees. We're going to make the location nominal. And then pick a few of these surfaces. And apply a template with one lump. That means one solid. And we want to do a trim. Okay, and there's the electrode. And let's see, where else can I do that one at? I guess we'll just do the one next to it. So we'll do it once more. Extract electrode, 90 degrees. And position it a little bit better. Pick the surfaces. Make sure it's being trimmed. Apply the template. Okay. So that quickly we've made quite a few electrodes. Let's show all. And let's make one drawing. By the way, I can create all the drawings. If I click on the top and say create all drawings, they can all be made at once. There's the inspection drawing. There's the burn location drawing. And let's machine a couple of them. So we'll take the first one and export to NC. Okay, and we're going to apply a template. going to take a flat top template and just execute. And while that's calculating, I can launch another session if I want to, and I can create more NC files and actually launch those as well. But since the calculation is pretty fast, I'm not going to bother doing that. Basically everything here is done. I've got the roughing, the top being cut, the finishing, and some remachining. Okay, let's save it, close it. And let's take a different electrode and export that to NC. And apply a template. And this is going to be the same template as the other one. Actually, you know, it's a shape top, but it has all the picking ready to go. And we're just going to launch this one. And this is a tall electrode, and it's fairly thin, so it has to be processed in a certain way. We want to actually do like a top-down approach, keeping the strength of the electrode while it's being machined. And so after the first rougher is done, it's going to leave it kind of thick like this, and that way when the finisher comes in, it's got rigidity as it's being cut. So here's the finish motions, and you can see the remachines are there, but they're not necessary. And in this case, if we look at the navigator, we can see it's taking the different length cutters as necessary. Save it, close it, and let's take one of these other guys, like maybe this one, and export to NC. Okay, and now we're going to apply a template. And this one is a flat top. And execute. Alright, so here we got our rougher. It's not quite getting in between everything. And I may need, yeah, so here's the finisher. You can see the finisher is not able to get in between those. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this cutter. And we're going to use an 1/8 inch ball cutter. And when I change cutters, it's going to change all the down step, side step, RPM, feed rate, everything like that. And I actually may want another roughing, so I'm going to do a copy and paste. And this one will also be a 1/8 cutter. Alright, and then we're going to re-execute. And execute. And we shouldn't need any of these remachines, so we can delete those. Okay, there's the remachine, or that's the finished machining. And the rougher is almost done. Actually, this horizontal one is not right because of the colors. I need to change the color of these surfaces. Okay, I'm going to go back and we're going to re-execute this one. Okay, and now you can see that I get the tops all milled. And here's the roughing tool path. And the finishing tool path. So I think the machining is quite fast using templates. Even when you have to change a couple of things, it goes really quick. Thanks for watching.